How does it feel to be making at least $300 from YouTube every month? I guess you will never know if you don't try. My YouTube channel is actually monetized and I get paid from this channel monthly. Now, I understand that there are some people who are not really good with camera. They don't like to put themselves out there. And that is why I've come to make this video, to teach you how you can create faceless YouTube content on celebrities' lifestyle. Now, there are different topics, there are different areas for faceless YouTube content. If you are a chef, you can create food content with voiceovers for your YouTube channel. If you are a fashion designer or whatever it is you do, you can create faceless YouTube channels for your business. But in this video, I'll be teaching us how we can create a faceless YouTube channel on celebrities, lifestyle, and trending topics. All you just need is the content, that's the visuals, video or pictures, and a script which you would voice. So you don't have to set up a camera just like I'm doing right now and speaking to the camera, like showing myself, showing my face, right? So many people are not good with speaking. So many people are not good with the camera. So all you just need is visuals and then your voice. Write out your script and just voice and you're good to go. Now let's get right into the video. First of all you need to do is to set up a platform. You can choose to also have this platform on Facebook and on TikTok and also on Instagram. Now this is more like creating a blog, okay? But don't see it like a blog where you have to always keep up with the trend. No, just do the best you can do. You don't always have to make sure that, oh, because blog A is putting out this, I have to put this out. Just do what your strength can carry you. So I'm more particular about YouTube because I know how much people make from YouTube channels, and it's nothing compared to what Facebook or other channels pay. So all you just need to do is set up a platform. Now, how do you create a YouTube channel? If you have a Gmail account, you automatically have a YouTube account. All you need to do is then create a channel on that account. So go to YouTube, sign in with your Gmail account. That's your Gmail, of course. Sign in with your Gmail account and then click on create channel. So once you create a channel, you can then customize the channel. You see where it says customize channel. So you can just customize it by putting in your unique name and username and profile picture and banner. Just, design whatever it is you can design and put it there. Now it could be anything. If your name is Nonso, you can just create Nonso TV or whatever TV. So after that, the next thing you need to do is go on Snapchat. Now, one thing you should know is that most of these celebrities showcase more of their lifestyle on Snapchat. You see a lot of exclusive content on blogs, on YouTube, Facebook. You wonder, how do they get this content? They get them from Snapchat. So there are a lot of things, like for instance, if a celebrity wants to post something on Instagram, they would have taken their time to edit and, curate to go on Instagram and make sure that everything is on point. But on Snapchat, they post their day-to-day life experiences and happenings. So Snapchat is the best place to go to when you want to get exclusive content on celebrities' lifestyle. Let's take, for instance, this recent event, this recent marriage that just happened between Juma Jukes and Priscilla Ojo. A lot of bloggers have added them on Snapchat. All you need to do is go on Snapchat, click on search for the celebrity's name or the public figure's name, and then you click on add. You will see the icon up there to add them. Once you add them, that means you're now following them. You can now be seeing their daily content. Now, in most cases, these people don't even post themselves. So all you need to do is look for people who surround themselves with them, like people who are around them, just like Chioma, the sister of Juma Jukes, Fatma, people like Annie. You can look for them, like friends that are around them. You can look for them, also search for them and add them. Now, these people will be posting daily on everything that is going on with these public figures and celebrities, right? So this is the best way to get exclusive content for your celebrity lifestyle YouTube channel. Now, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to, edit these videos on CapCut. I know that most of you do not know how to use I know that most of you do not know how to use CapCut. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit these videos on CapCut, and I'll also be including a link an example. I think it's let me call it an example to what I'm talking about. So for those who are interested in creating this celebrity lifestyle content, you can watch out this video and see what the woman did here and see how you can also do the same for yourself. You can see that during the process of Priscilla Ojo and Juma Juke's wedding, you saw how a lot of bloggers, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube carried their story, and many people must have cashed out big time from this event that just happened, while you are on the other side spending data and following and watching everything that people are posting. So you see, in this life, the difference between a poor man and a rich man is actually choices. The choices you make is what differentiates you from a rich person and a poor or struggling person. Now, a poor or struggling person is someone who is angry with their 9-to-5 job or whatever salary they are receiving, is there struggling to put data to follow stories and gossips, while the people with the rich mindset, the money making mindset, are out there putting out this content for you. So why not have the choice, or why not decide to choose the best part for you? So why not decide to choose the best part for you? So that's just what I'm saying. Instead of spending your hard-earned data and time following gossips and news on blogs and YouTube pages, YouTube channels, why not spend that time and that energy on putting out this content for other people to consume? So like I said, once you follow these people, they'll be posting exclusive content on their lifestyle, and all you need to do is save this content. You can screen record and or screenshots and save them, and then head over to CapCut and edit. Now let me show you quickly how you can edit such videos on CapCut, and also with your script and your voiceover. So first things first, open CapCut on your phone and click on new project. So I won't be starting a new project. I'll just go back to my previous project and work directly from there and just show you all how it's being done. So you want to click on this white plus on the right hand side and then just select a background. So if you don't want your background to be black, just like mine is showing black here, you can select any picture of your choice to use as a background, and make sure that the picture has the YouTube size resolution. Okay, so after that, you can now extend the video to, let me just zoom this out so that you see clearly. Extend the video to the timing you want. If it's 5 minutes you want, you can drag it to 5 minutes. Now after doing that, this is what you have as your background. So you don't want this to be very bright, so we'll have to reduce the opacity. Now I'll show you how to reduce the opacity. So just tap on the project, see how I tapped it and it became white. Then you will now swipe down and look for opacity. As you can see, the opacity is on 100, so we'll reduce it to, let's reduce it to 24. Now you will see what it looks like. Now this is what we have. You can decide to also have a blank background, that is a black background. So the next step is to bring in the picture or the video that we would like to use. So just look down, you see overlay, click on overlay, because we're going to overlay these pictures on our background. Then you swipe down to whatever picture you want to, whatever story you want to talk about. Say for instance, I want to talk about 4 reasons why Juma Jukes chose Priscilla and not his ex, or who he dated for 1 year and some months. Now first of all, my voiceover has to first of all describe him, Juma and Karen's relationship before they broke up and they met Priscilla. So that is just what I'll be doing here, bringing in all the pictures and the videos that I have about Juma and Karen, so that the voiceover will go exactly what I'm talking about. Because the first part of my video, if I want to talk about 3 reasons or 4 reasons why he married Priscilla and not this lady, I'll first of all talk about their relationship and how beautiful their relationship was before I move on to talk about Priscilla. And when you click back here, you will now see the audio sign. That audio sign will tell you how to put audio to your videos, either through voiceover or extracting the audio, or sending it directly from your audio recorder to CapCut. So there are several ways you can put audio in your video, and then just look up, you see export, there you can export the video. The video doesn't have to be so long. 5 minutes is okay, 6 minutes is okay, 7 minutes is okay, 10 minutes is okay. So welcome back, guys. Now let me tell you something. If after watching this video and you do not take action, then I want to let you know that you had a weapon fashioned against you from, having a decent living or making a decent living, because we know how difficult the economy is, and we can't keep on depending on our 9 to 5 salary for survival. We need extra sources of income, extra side hustle income. You understand? And if you know that this is something you are going to start, and after 1 month and 2 months you will stop, please do not bother starting. If you know you struggle with consistency, please do not waste your time. So that's all I have to say on this video. I hope you really take action, guys. It's not just watching me, but also taking action. And these things are not difficult. You can have, you can create a time, even if it is 30 minutes, 1 hour, to just, create at least 2 or 3 contents on celebrities' lifestyle, and you can just schedule them for a week. That week you won't even think about creating any content till the weekend, where you can now sit down, put another content together and schedule for the next week. So it's not something that you say, oh, I don't have time for it. You have time. In 24 hours you can have 2 hours to create at least 3 contents and then schedule them. And that way, a lot of things will start opening up for you, like a lot of opportunities will start opening up for you. So that's all I have to say, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, share this video with whoever you think would benefit from it, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post my next videos. Bye guys, and thank you all for watching.